Hi, what if you could instantly know why a test failed down to the exact line of code? As you know, in regression testing, as developers continuously make changes to the code base, test failures can occur. However, identifying the exact root cause behind these failures is often time consuming and manual. In this demo, I'll show how bug intelligence helps analyze test results, perform root cause analysis, and raise bugs with code aware context. So, this is the dashboard. First, we go to test management, click on test suits, and click on the sanity test. Okay, so as you can see, there are two test cases. Okay, so let me explain here. So here we have defined test cases for an e-bikes application using behavior driven approach. Okay, so I'll click on the first test case. Okay, here the test starts by navigating to the Salesforce application URL and then moves to the product explorer tab. It validates that a list of electric bikes is displayed and ensures that at least one product title is visible. Okay, so this is about the first test case. And the second test case is, see, this is another test. We validate product details such as product name, image, and price when the product is selected. Okay, so you can run the test suite. So as our agent will take a couple of minutes to complete the execution, I'll show previously run test suite. Go to run management and click on test suits. Okay. So basically, these test cases are grouped into a sanity test suite, which is executed periodically to validate core functionalities of application after every code change. Okay, so this is the first run. Initially, with the stable code base deployed, we executed the sanity test suite, and all test cases passed and pass successfully. So this indicates that the application behavior is working as expected. So here you can see it's completed and passed. I can show you the report as well. So click on view report and you see that there are two tests and two tests have been passed. And this is a complete summary. And let's go to the second test. Okay, so later a new change was introduced in the backend code base through a commit. When we executed the same test suite again, one of the test cases failed. So this indicates a regression when previously working functionality has been impacted due to recent code changes. So let's click on view report. And here you can see out of two tests, one has been passed and the other one has been failed. Okay, so importantly, the test case itself has not changed, which helps us isolate the issue to the underlying code. So here, now instead of manually debugging, we can use bug intelligence to analyze the failure. So click on bug intelligence and click on this. And yeah, so basically, the bug intelligence automatically identifies the root cause. In this case, it is detected that the MSRP price field has been not displayed. Okay, so this is one. So yeah, it also correlates the failure with the exact commit and pinpoints the specific file and code changes responsible. For example, it shows that the price failed was defined in the code, but it binding was removed from the UI template. Okay, so it also gave you the suggested fix as well. It also provides a suggested fix such as restoring missing field, binding, and correcting the product image URL. Okay, so additionally, it identifies this is the regression, and since the test was consistently passing earlier and started failing after the specific commit. Okay, so here I can say that the system also provides a high confidence score, as you can see here. So indicating this is the valid bug with a strong supporting evidence. So once verified, we can approve this issue and system automatically raise bugs in the Jira with complete context. So this indicates test results. This includes test results, root cause analysis, code references, and links back to the execution report. Okay, so this is a complete demo about with bug intelligence. Teams can quickly identify failures, understand root causes, and raise actionable bugs, significantly reducing manual effort and identifying regression efficiency. Thank you. Have a good day.